In this situation, I want to find the value of x and the value of y. There are many different places to start and many different ways to approach this problem. I'm going to start here with the y variable, 3y plus 6. If I look at just this portion of the picture, I see that the measure of angle MJO is 90 degrees because of the box here in the corner. Since I also know that the measure of angle MJO equals 3y plus 6, I can create the equation 3y plus 6 equals 90 degrees. So now I'm just going to solve this situation. I will first subtract 6 from both sides to get 84. Divided by 3 would be 28. So that's the value of y. That was definitely the simpler of us to determine. Now let's look at the value of x. I have to look at the entire picture as a whole to figure out the value of x. So if you look here at what I have marked, you can see that we have a pair of vertical angles. It especially makes it simpler if I ignore that segment. My vertical angles are MJO and KJH. Since MJO and KJH are vertical angles, that means they are congruent. Since these angles are congruent, that means that their measures must be equal. I know that MJO is a right angle, which means that it measures 90 degrees. Which means that the measure of KJH also has to equal 90 degrees. Which means that 9x and 3x plus 6 have to be complementary angles. Which means their sum has to be 90. And now I can simplify. 9x and 3x add up to give you 12x. I'll subtract 6 from both sides to say 12x equals 84. And when I divide both sides by 12, 84 divided by 12 is 7. And I have established the value of x and the value of y.